Alright, we are given a triangle here which is ABC. Then they say the size of AP is 3 centimeters, the size of BC is 4 centimeters, the length of AC is 5 centimeters. Then the first question says, show that triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. We need to show that triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. So now in showing that triangle ABC is a right angled triangle, going to write our solution here. So now we know that the Pythagoras theorem says that AP squared plus BC squared should be equal to AC squared, which is the hypotenuse. So now AP, we have got that is 3 centimeters. We're gonna have 3 centimeters squared plus, therefore UPC we have that is 4 centimeters. Then we put a square which will be equal to AC. We have got that is 5 centimeters. Therefore we put the square. Therefore 3 to the power 2, we're gonna get 9 centimeters squared plus 16 centimeters squared, which will be equal to 25 centimeters squared. Therefore 9 plus 16 is 25 centimeters squared, which is 25 is equal to 25 centimeters squared. So now if the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, it implies that that triangle is a right angle triangle. So we can put the 90-degree angle there. So now number 2, this was number 1. Number 2, they say we need to determine the unknown angles, which is beta and theta. So now we can use the trig ratios in this case. We can either use any of the 3, which is cos, sine, or tan. But then I would like us to use sine here because it will be sine of, we're gonna start with beta, it will be sine of beta, which will be equal to, therefore sine, we're gonna use the SOHCAHTOA here, SOHCAHTOA. So SOHCAHTOA, it means that sine is opposite over hypotenuse. The opposite of this angle is what? Is 3 centimeters, which will be 3. The hypotenuse will be 5. So now angle beta will be equal to shift sine of 3 over 5. Therefore beta will be equal to is 36.87 degrees. So even though we can use tan, it will be tan of beta, which will be equal to, tan is still opposite. The opposite here of that angle beta is what? Is 3 over adjacent, which is 4. Therefore we're gonna say beta will be shift tan of 3 over 4. We still gonna get the same answer, which is 36.87 degrees. So now we come to the other unknown angle, which is theta. So now to that one, we have got that size of B, which is 90. We have got that size of beta, which is 36.87. It means that it will be theta plus 90 degrees plus beta, which will be equal to 180 degrees. The reason will be sum of angles in a triangle. It will be sum of angles in a triangle. So now what we have got that theta will be equal to theta plus 90 degrees. Beta, we found that beta is 36.87 degrees, which is equal to 180 degrees. So now theta will be equal to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees minus 36.87 degrees. So now if we say 180 minus 90 degrees, which will be equal to 90 minus 36.87, which will be equal to 53.13. It means that our theta in this case is 53.13 degrees. So we are done with our lesson of the day. Thank you very much. I hope you understand.